What's up, guys? Welcome. Today we are reviewing a survival kit, 13-in-1, tactical pen, water bottle clip, multi-use spork, survival bracelet, wire saw, tactical knife, fire starter, flashlight, saber card, pocket bellow, emergency blanket, waterproof case, and a compass. Wow. Also goes over some other stuff in here, how to use everything. All in this little case. That is really awesome, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, guys, as you can see, here's the emergency blanket. There's the net. That is, I think they call that the paracord. Here's the spork. Or no, that's the spork, but also turns into a knife. That is awesome, guys. Pretty sharp knife as well. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And also has a saw in there and a cap opener. Little bow in here. Here's our fire starter. Very nice. Check this out, guys. Look at that compass. That's really nice. That's a nice compass. Extending pole. So you can see. Tactical pen, point. Wow, so that definitely could break. That's pretty sharp. You got a nice little point there. Pen works great. Ooh, check that knife out. That is really nice. Look at that. Check that out, guys. Wow. So it is a locking blade. That means you have to press this on the side and the blade comes down. And it also has a spring loaded, so you have to force it down. That way that helps you from cutting yourself. So you press it down, and for a quick release, have your hand out of the way and press this. This is actually a really nice knife. Also has a razor in there for cutting. Really nice. Yeah, that's really nice, guys. That knife alone makes the kit really nice. Miniature flashlight. Chainsaw cord. Fishing line for fishing. And multi-tool. Overall, this is an extremely nice kit, and trust me, if you got a man or woman in the house that loves this stuff, they're going to absolutely go crazy over this. It's a really nice kit. All of this stuff, guys, really, really nice.